All right, we're back now with Great Day Law. Each month we like to check in with our friend attorney Lawyer Twillie from LA Law, aka Lawyer the Lawyer, for some helpful advice.
Yeah, thanks for being here, Lawyer the Lawyer, and happy holidays to you.
Happy holidays to you.
Yeah, so you're always here with your free legal advice, and this is good. So at home you're wondering, I guess this happens, right? You're out hustling and bustling and the holiday season, and people are not paying attention or they're stressed, and that means parking lots are chaotic and dangerous. My daughter got sideswiped right near the mall last year. I remember calling you. Yeah, and so what do you do if that happens?
Yeah, get the police involved right away.
That's the most important.
And I knew that from you, so I told her, I go, don't move and call the police.
Right away, because there are cameras, especially like at a mall, there's going to be cameras in the parking lots. And this is the time of year where people are stressed, people are on their phones. Honey, I need to grab this. What do you want me to grab? I got to get this last minute gift. People are distracted. So these types of accidents happen a lot. But get the police involved.
Trip and falls, are they my fault or are they their fault?
An insurance company is going to say it's your fault. We're going to say it's the property owner's fault.
Right.
But let's just be honest. A lot of times there's a combination involved. And that's why you need an attorney involved, because there is going to be that pushback about how come you fell, it was right there.
Right,
well,
like what if you're walking, so if you're walking to and from a store, either inside or outside a mall, it might be their fault?
Correct. Yeah, I mean, I have a case where somebody walked into the store and it was near closing time and they bought their gifts and they're with their daughter and they're walking out and they turn the corner and they walk out and the store had started to close and they pulled down the metal gate and they just didn't notice because they're talking and hit their head. Yeah. Why? You know, you couldn't wait an extra 5 minutes to actually wait until patrons
So that's
are
the store's fault, not that you didn't see it.
Correct.
Interesting.
I trip and fall in a store. Is it the management of the mall's responsibility or is it the owner of the store?
You got all the great questions, guys, today. So there's a combination. So a lot of times the property management company of a mall, for example, is in possession and control of the premises. And that's a key phrase and a key thing to understand is who's actually in possession and control. Because a lot of times a store might sublease space within a mall, but they don't take care of any of the grounds.
Right.
And so that's the duty of somebody else. And so again, that's why you get the professionals involved.
How do you know this? How do you know this? You get a lawyer.
You're not supposed to.
And people are thinking, I don't have the money to get a lawyer. I'm just going to have to deal with this. You want people to know when they call you, the advice is free. Even taking the case is free. If you decide to take it, you're only going to make money if they get a settlement.
Correct. We work on a contingency fee basis. All of our consultations are free, but you get essentially free legal representation up until the point we're able to help you recover money for your injuries. And only then do we earn our fee.
Yeah.
Well, his name is Lawyer the Lawyer. Let me tell you something, he's good.
Yeah, and we're going to talk a little bit on Facebook Live coming up. We'll get some more free legal advice.
Can't wait.
Everyone loves free legal advice. Thank you so much.
Free is for me.
All the information. Give him a call, 860-595-3163, lalawct.com. Thanks, Lawyer. We so appreciate it.
Thanks, Al.
Yeah.
All right, still ahead on this Thursday.